channel, don't forget to like,
comment, share,
and subscribe.
Let's get into this video!
Hi guys, so today I'll be making open face sandwiches. So I'll be needing slices of bread. I'll be needing my bread knife. What I'll be doing with the bread knife, I'll be cutting off the edges of the bread. Here it is. And then my other slices of bread. After I have cut off the edge of the bread, I will be needing the butter knife for the butter to butter the bread. After I have buttered some of my bread, I will be putting it in the greased pan. After that, I am going to be putting ketchup on the buttered bread. I'm going to be using the spoon to spread out the ketchup. After that, I'm going to be getting some shredded Mexican cheese. After I have put in my Mexican cheese, I'll be putting some shredded Parmesan cheese. After I have added the cheese, I will be adding some mozzarella shredded cheese. After I have added that, I will be adding some sliced hot dogs. After I have added the sliced hot dogs, I'll be adding some diced tomatoes. Then I will be adding some diced bell peppers. Then I will be adding some diced onions. Before you stick this in your oven for 20 minutes, you should preheat your oven for 5 minutes. Okay guys, so this is the finished product. Let's taste it.
Today I'm going to be making hamburgers. So the ingredients needed are hamburger buns, beef patty, lettuce, sauce that I made with ketchup, mayonnaise and sugar, sliced tomatoes and sliced cheese. So first you want to get your hamburger buns, and you want to add the sauce, then the lettuce, then the beef patty, then you're gonna add the cheese, then you're gonna add the tomatoes. And there you have it, a hamburger. Yum.
Hi guys, today we be making tea sandwiches. The ingredients needed are bread, butter, and colored cheese.
You'll be needing a cookie cutter to shape out your sandwich.
Here are our final results. Now we're going to taste them.
Hi guys, today I'll be making a multi-decor sandwich. The ingredients needed are slices of bread, butter, colored cheese, crushed hot dog, lettuce, and slices of tomato. So first, you need your butter and your bread. Coat the bread with the butter. Then you get your lettuce. Then you add the next slice of bread. Coat it again with the butter. Then you add your colored cheese. The next piece of bread. Coat it again with the butter. You add your crushed hot dog. Then you add your slices of tomato. And then you coat a next slice of bread. And then you place your skewers to hold the sandwich in place. Then we'll need our bread knife to cut our bread into triangles. Here's my final result.
A few moments later.
so today I am going to be making an open face sandwich. So firstly, what you will need is some cutted franks, not franks, cutted sausage.
Camera speed.
Sound production, take 1.
Hi guys, so today I'll be making open face sandwiches. So I'll be needing slices of bread and my butter knife. So what I'll be doing with the bread, I'll be cutting off the edges.
Wait, it's bread knife.
Bread knife.
Sound production, take 2.
Must that from Ireland? Yes. Hi guys, so today I'm going to be making hamburger. So the ingredients needed are hamburger buns, tomato, sliced cheese, hamburger meat. Then you wanna add sorry. Then you wanna add the sauce. There you have it, and hamburger. Brittany. Funny, bro.
And hamburger.
Hamburger and hamburger.
No, it's a hamburger.
A hamburger.
A hamburger.
And hamburger.
Hamburger.
And hamburger.
And hamburger.
A ham.
Oh.
That's the part there. I know you have a hamburger.
And there you have it.
Stop.
And there you have it, a hamburger. It's so weird.
Hamburger.
And there you have it, a hamburger.
Action!
What? Wait, tell me, Jane.
Double-decker. A double?
Yes.
Multi-decker.
Then we'll get the next piece of bread. Coat it again with the butter. And then we'll need our bread knife to cut.